ADUs for family members. As you can tell, there's no standalone ADU loans. It's always secured to a first or second mortgage because an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit, is part of the property. It's a real estate loan. So let's say that mom and dad own a house and all of the land, and Junior wants to build an ADU. But his siblings are concerned he's going to take over the inheritance of the property and that it's not fair. What we can do is title it as tenants in common. We add Junior to title so that he owns the ADU only and mom and dad own all of the house and the land. When mom and dad pass away, they can bequeath the house and the land equally among the siblings. But Junior still owns his ADU, so they've got to work together and work it out. My recommendation for families is go big. I blinked and my son was 3 years old and now he's 20. And I'm going to blink again and he's going to have a wife and kids who I want to play with in my own yard. Also, as I age, I want my kids to be around and help take care of me. So I recommend building a 3-bedroom ADU. Junior can always have roommates in to help pay the rent and pay off the loan, but ultimately he and his family can grow into the house and you have someone to take care of as you age in place. This is a wonderful way to create multi-generational wealth and an inheritance that will go down in generations. Thanks to you.